This practice will be much easier if you find a really dark space. You can still do it if it's not completely dark, but ideally you have a room with heavy curtains or some shutters you can put down all the way. But wherever you find yourself, I invite you just to sit quietly. Sit down in your comfortable seat and close your eyes. And gaze into your visual field with the closed eyes. And see the darkness. And relax your eyes, allowing the entire visual field to complete your awareness, including your periphery, and keep your gaze with closed eyes wide so you can take in the complete field. Your eyes may still be fluttering, moving. So I would ask you to try to relax your eyes and stop their movement totally. This may be difficult. So focus on any movement of your eyes and relax it. Make your eyes like stones. Very heavy stones. Immobile stones. Your eyelids are heavy and immobilized. Your eyes are relaxed. The muscles around your eyes are relaxed. Keep on searching and feeling for any movement left, and relax it bit by bit. Feeling heavy, feeling totally relaxed. And as you sink deeper into this heaviness and relaxation, move your focus to your inner being, your internal world and sensations. I will guide you to shift your awareness to parts of your body. And whenever I call your attention to a part of your body, put all of your awareness there and feel it completely. Feel each part as being alive with its own intelligence, its own consciousness. So put your awareness now on your feet. All of your toes, the arch of your feet, heels, top of the feet, your whole feet. Now move your awareness to your calves. Placing all of your focus on your calves. Now move to your thighs, feeling where the knee joins to the thigh, and the muscles of the front and back of the thighs. And moving up to your hips, feeling the connection that your hip creates with your thighs and your pelvis. Moving up to your lower back, your sacrum. Traveling along your spine, placing your awareness on the spine. Moving ever so slowly up the spine, to your middle and upper back, feeling the strength of your muscles in your back and your shoulder blades. And continuing to move up to your shoulders, placing your full awareness in your shoulders. And your shoulder sockets as they connect to your upper arm. And traveling from your upper arms through your elbows, and feeling the points of connection from your elbow to your lower arms, and your wrists, and bring your awareness to your hands, and traveling along the palm of your hand, out through each one of your fingers, beginning with the thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger. And moving awareness to the front of the body, to your pelvis, to your core, your abdomen, and traveling up through your chest, aware of the internal organs being protected by your chest cavity, and how they are all independently alive and intelligent. And continuing to travel up through your chest to your neck, and your jaw, your whole mouth, inside of your mouth, nose, cheekbones, and once again back to your eyes, relaxing them again if they had accumulated tension, allowing your forehead to smooth away any tension from the eyebrows and the muscles around the eyes. Completely relaxing your face, being aware of your whole face, heavy, immobilized, and relaxed. Being here, just being here. And stay for as long as you care to stay. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. You are free to continue staying here. But if you feel ready, then go ahead and gradually wake yourself back up and go about your day.